Have you seen Panchayat Season 3? I know you're very busy with your studies, but still you can see a lot of ethical issues in this, from corruption, from electoral manipulation to societal resilience. Have you seen the movie Article 15? Can you see the bureaucratic and democratic attitude within the bureaucracy in this? Can you see resistance to change? Are you going through newspapers of late? You read about the case of Pooja Ketkar? I think today UPSC has terminated her selection and debarred her from further attempts. Can you relate these developments into ethics answer writing? Can you bring the books you read, the movies you see, the newspaper you read? Can you bring these arguments, information, examples from all these sources into your ethics answer writing? Or are you still struggling to find right examples? We have a single point solution for you. Attend this one session on 23rd July 5 p.m. That is upcoming Tuesday, where we discuss a lot of examples from complete ethics syllabus. Here you would be also given access to ethics marks improvement booklets. I know you will need no other value addition material for ethics. It contains numerous examples from each and every syllabus points. So come and attend the class, and it assure you it will transformatively change how you approach ethics answers.